is something out there.
Stay close. What happened here? All right, easy, bud.
Tie those legs up!
What are you doing?
Swim my riches. That is a Night Fury. Don't think Drago has one of those in his dragon army.
Dragon army?
We should have thought of that before.
What are you talking about?
You think we did this? There are other dragon riders. We don't know anything about a dragon thief. Just give us back our dragon and we'll go.
I'm Alex. Son. The finest dragon trapper alive. Rush 'em, lads!
Surfer, come on! Go! Go!
You will never hold on to those dragons, you hear me? Drago is coming for them all!
There he is! The pride of Berk!
Hey, Dad, can I have a word?
Tell me.
Dad, this is actually a little more important than building something. These guys are trackers. Dragon. They are building a dragon army. At least the guy they work for is Dargo Bloody Fist or something.
Bloodfist. Drago. Bloodfist.
Yeah. Wait.
Proto Dragons!
What? What?
No dragon or Viking sets foot off this island until I give the word.
Faraway land?
Because Drago Bloodfist is a madman without conscience or mercy. Beautiful war.
Dad, if Drago's coming for our dragons, let's go find the